Welcome to STEM in Houston Public Library. My name is Miss Leona, and today we're going to do two weather experiments from the KHOU 11 Severe Weather Guide. I thought that would be kind of fun since some of you have that. And we're going to make a cloud and a rainmaker. Now, the things that you will need for the make a cloud is a glass jar with a metal lid, some aerosol hairspray, ice cubes, and hot water. And then for the rainmaker that we're going to do second, you're going to need 8 to 12 cotton balls, some blue food coloring, 3 plastic cups, scissors or a skewer, and some water. All right, and this project is for ages 6 and up, but everyone can enjoy it, but parents do need to help in a couple of places. All right, so we're going to start. The first one we have is called Make a Cloud. And you guys may be wondering how a cloud is made, because you see them in the sky, but because we're here in Houston especially, we have lots of water. And so the water comes up, it evaporates from our water and goes up into the sky. And when it's up there, it gets colder, and it also gets with pieces of dust and bacteria, which we call condensation nuclei. And then it forms a cloud. It puts together, makes a bigger cloud. So let's see if we can simulate that right here. And so we're going to have some hot water, which Mom and Dad, that's what you need to heat up. So we're going to get some hot water that's almost boiling, okay? Because that one is really good at making some steam, okay? So then we're going we need some pieces of some little particles, so we're going to use this hairspray and make it the aerosol kind. So we're going to spray some in there, and then we're going to cover it up real fast with this lid. Okay, now you can see that it's going to start, the hot water is going to start evaporating, and the steam's going to come up, and it's going to get with all those little particles from the hairspray, which we call the condensation nuclei. And you can see, look at how it's changing. We're starting to get a few clouds. But let's make it easier. Let's put some ice cubes there, because then it will get colder faster. Okay? And that's what happens when you're up in the sky. It's a lot colder, isn't it, than here on the ground. So let's put a couple more there. Okay. All right, so let's watch. And let's see, we got, in fact, I can see, can you see it kind of swirling around a little bit? So let it swirl around just a little more. Just like sometimes clouds, especially fog, does that, where it kind of swirls around. All right, I think we're just about ready. We're going to take the ice cubes off, and we're going to see what happens when, watch, we're going to have a cloud come up. Here we go. Look at that. There goes the cloud. There it goes up, 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 up. Very good. All right. So, those are clouds, but it's not raining. So how can we figure out if it's raining? Well, because we have the condensation goes up, and it gets with the condensation nuclei, but it's got to keep growing and growing and growing and getting more liquid and getting more liquid until it's so full of liquid that it can't stand it, and then it finally has to leak or rain. So let's try that over here. We're going to come over here to make a rainmaker. So we're going to start with some regular water. We're going to put it in our first cup. But we want to be able to see that water, so we're going to put some blue food coloring in it. All right, and while that's getting filling in a little bit there, we're going to put a hole in this cup. And so I have a few holes in there already, but we're going to put one more. And we can use a scissors, or you can use a skewer. And parents, this is where you need to help. So you're going to put some holes in. So you can see right here like that. All right, then we're going to put our cotton in. And this is our clouds. Okay, so we have clouds here, but there's no water in them. So we're going to have our third cup underneath so that we can catch any water, because remember, there's holes in the bottom of this. All right, so we're going to start with let's just put a little water. Just a little. Is it raining? Nope, not yet. There's not much water in it. Let's put a little more water. Still no raining. Let's try some more. It's getting more saturated. Those clouds are getting more saturated. Now let's try a little bit more. Okay, almost there. starting to rain. There we go. See how it's raining? Because the clouds have gotten so full of water that they ended up, they're now coming out of the clouds and going back down to the ground. And that is rain. All right. So now, thank you for joining us for this STEM. I hope you will come back again. And if you would like to try this yourself, then you can share it with us using the hashtag #ILoveHPL. We can see what you did. Thanks for joining us, and come see us again. Bye.